Imagine waking up every day in your own slice of Bali paradise, where the soothing sounds of nature greet you and the air is filled with tranquility. Creating a Bali resort-style interior in your home can bring this tropical dream to life. With a careful blend of natural elements, soft colors, and cultural authenticity, you can transport yourself to a serene Balinese retreat. In this guide, we'll explore the top tips for achieving the Bali resort style in your home. Transforming your living space into a haven of relaxation and beauty. 1. Embrace natural materials. Bali resort style is all about using natural materials. Consider furniture made from bamboo, teak wood, and rattan. These materials add warmth and authenticity to your decor, making you feel closer to nature. 2. Soft, neutral colors. Stick to soft, neutral colors like whites, creams, and light grays. These shades create a peaceful, calming atmosphere and let the natural elements in your decor take center stage. 3. Let the sunshine in. Bali is known for its sunny weather, so maximize natural light in your space. Choose sheer curtains or bamboo blinds to allow soft, filtered sunlight to fill your rooms. 4. Blend indoor and outdoor spaces. The Bali resort style often blurs the line between indoor and outdoor living. Achieve this by using large windows or sliding glass doors that open onto a garden or patio. Consistent flooring materials inside and outside create a seamless transition. 5. Tropical plant life. Bring the lush Bali landscape indoors with tropical plants like palms, orchids, and frangipani. Not only do they add a touch of color, but they also make your home feel like a tropical oasis. 6. Incorporate water elements. Balinese gardens typically feature flowing water. You can recreate this soothing ambiance with small indoor fountains or ponds. The gentle sound of water is incredibly relaxing. 7. Balinese-style furniture. Invest in low wooden tables, comfortable lounge chairs with plush cushions, and other Balinese-style furniture. These pieces should be both functional and stylish, providing a sense of comfort and authenticity. 8. Textiles and patterns. Add depth to your decor with textiles featuring Balinese-inspired patterns like batik and ikat. These can come in the form of cushions, throws, or area rugs, softening the overall look. 9. Balinese art and decor. Decorate your home with Balinese masks, carvings, and paintings. These artistic pieces add cultural richness and make your space uniquely Balinese. 10. Lighting and ambiance. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with candles, lanterns, and soft lighting. This subtle illumination sets the mood, transforming your home into a serene Bali retreat, especially in the evenings. When you're designing your Bali resort-style home, keep in mind that simplicity is key. Focus on selecting a few well-chosen pieces that reflect the peaceful, nature-inspired atmosphere.